Hey guys, thanks so much for pre-ordering the Clutter Connection. Your copy is probably being mailed to you as we speak, or maybe you've picked it up today at bookstores when it was launched. So either way, welcome to the pre-order bonus. Down below in this email, you're gonna find a link to the online mini course, which is gonna do like a total breakdown of the Clutter Connection, the 4 different organizing styles, and how to work with other people who have like the opposite style that you have. Inside this course, you're gonna find videos that you can watch and just go at your own pace, and you're also gonna find lots of printables that you can download directly to your computer and print them off, and you have access forever to this mini course, so you can download them whenever you want. There's also a link down below to a private Facebook group. The code is Clutter Connection. You're gonna have to put in that code so I know that you've actually, are part of this course. Facebook groups are so weird. They don't actually allow you to like find another way around that. So anyways, I want you to use the code Clutter Connection, click on that, and you're gonna find free webinars in there and lots of like live question and answers and good stuff in there. And that's going to last for 4 weeks from today. It's like you and me, one-on-one, so definitely join that Facebook group. You're also going to be entered into a giveaway for one of 10 2-hour online consultations. So organizing consultations, or we can chat about starting your own organizing business. It's totally up to you, but you have 2 hours of my time, and I will announce the winners of that at the end of January. So what are you waiting for? Click the links below and let's dive in to your pre-order bonus right now.